Hello and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today in the kitchen we are cooking some quick and easy, meaty red beans and rice. So when I say quick and easy, I mean quick and easy. Just watch this. So let me show you my ingredients because I said meaty also. So the meat that I'm going to be using, I have some chopped up smoked sausage. I've got 2 cans of pinto beans. Of course, you can use kidney beans if you want. Sometimes they're called red beans. You can use whatever kind of bean you want. I'm just using pinto beans. I like pinto beans. So, got some crushed red pepper, some salsa. Remember, I put my salsa in almost everything. I also have some Creole seasoning. I put that in almost everything. Some black pepper and some minced garlic. To that, I have some diced onions. I diced them very small, if you notice. I have some diced green peppers, which I also diced very small. I'm going to add my onions to my sausage. I'm going to add my green peppers to my sausage. I have my oven set on 400 degrees. I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to cover it with some foil and put it in my oven for about 15 minutes. Smoked sausage doesn't take that long to cook, so I'm just going to put it in there for about 15 minutes because it is going to cook again in the beans. So while I cover this and put this in the oven, guess what I need you to do? That's right, hit that subscribe button. What that button does is allows you to come and request things that you'd like to see me cook. It also allows you to make comments on what I've cooked, or if you've gone out there and cooked it yourself, for you to let me know how it came out when you cooked it. So hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell and the like button, share button. Share these videos. Don't keep it a secret to yourself. You know, I know how some of y'all are. You go out there, you start cooking, it's like, oh no, I don't want nobody else cooking good like me. Nah, y'all go out there and y'all share this stuff. Share the wealth. All right, so I'm gonna put this in the oven and I will be right back. Okay, so my sausage with the peppers and onions are in the oven. While that's in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and start to heat up my beans. I'm gonna put this on a low heat. Let's go ahead, add my beans. And because I say it's quick and easy, if you used dried beans, that's a whole overnight process. I'm in a hurry because I'm hungry, so we're going to do the quick and easy version of these red beans and rice, which is why I use canned beans. The canned beans not only are already soft and basically cooked, they also have a little bit of juice in them because we want our red beans and rice to have a little bit of juice in them. So I'm going to my beans, I'm going to add my salsa. I'm going to add 1/2 of a teaspoon of my Creole seasoning. One-half of a teaspoon of black pepper. One full teaspoon of my minced garlic. And you could put the minced garlic in with the sausage if you want. That gives it a different type of flavor. Well, it just enhances the flavor. I'm going to stir this up. And I'm just going to let this sit here on a very low heat and simmer while the sausage is in the oven. So, like I said, about 15 minutes. And then I'm going to combine the two. Now, I already have a pot of rice cooked. If you have not seen my video called How to Cook White Rice, go out there, check out that video because we're having red beans and rice. So, of course, we got rice. So, check that video out as well. So, as soon as this is done, I'll put that on top of some rice and we're going to be able to eat. You see how quick and fast that is? Like I said, that's only going to be in there 15 minutes. This has only got to sit after I combine the two for about 10 minutes because the beans are already cooking. The sausage is already cooking. All I'm just doing is letting it those flavors marry together a little bit. So I'll be back in 15 minutes and we'll be ready to combine those two. Okay, so our 15 minutes are up. My beans are smelling delicious, and you can actually smell that sausage coming from the oven. So what I want to do, my last ingredient that I didn't tell you about, this is my secret ingredient. It is a can of chicken broth. You know, when you have red beans and rice, you have that juice in your beans. Now remember I told you the beans themselves had a little bit of juice, but that's still not enough. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a can of chicken broth. But you know how, yes, there we go. Now we got juice. But we don't want our juice to be watery. So I'm going to show you a trick. I am going to, if I can find my potato masher, I'm back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to smash up some of these beans so the smashed up beans will make the juice in the beans thicker. I'm not going to smash up all the beans, just a few. And that's going to make the little gravy creamier. You like that creamy juice in your red beans and rice. Oh yeah, it's thickening up already. Let me see. Yep, let's do a little bit more. Let's get them smashed a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna stir that up, and I want you to see what I mean about creamy. Now, you see how thick that is? Yeah, it's not just watery. So now, time to go ahead and put our meat in here. This meat is smelling good. Ooh, look at that. The onions have cooked, the peppers have cooked. They've cooked in their own juice. You notice I didn't add anything to this. That juice that's in there, nothing but flavor. We're gonna pour all of that in this pot. I'm gonna let this simmer for another 10 minutes just so that all the flavors marry. Make sure the beans are cooked all the way through, and then we'll be able to eat some red beans and rice. Okay, guess what time it is? My red beans and rice are done, and I just made me a bowl. Come check this out. Check this out. Yes. I just made me a bowl, and I'm ready to taste. Look at that. Look at that. Remember, I told you it was meaty red beans and rice. So there's a lot of meat in here, as you can see. Okay. It's up to you. You don't have to have that much meat in yours. I like meat in mine. I think I got more meat than I got beans. That's what I'm talking about. You know I gotta do my dance. Whenever it come out good, I gotta do my dance. And if it don't come out good, fix it so that you can do your dance. I love red beans and rice. I like all kind of beans. I can eat this all day. And you know, of course, it's not expensive, so I can eat it all week. Well, anyway, I'm going to continue eating this and enjoy this because this is real good. And guess what? I'll see you guys next time in the kitchen. Bye.